Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the grid lines should disappear after the whole operation. So all we have to do right now is to enter the settings. So let's tap on this arrow and tap on the settings icon. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got restore defaults option, which is the option we're looking for. So let's tap on restore. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences and customization. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.